In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to forward messages on WhatsApp Web. If you've ever found yourself wanting to share a message you received with another contact or group on WhatsApp Web, then this guide is perfect for you. The process is simple and straightforward, and I'm here to walk you through it step by step. Let's dive right in. First things first, open your favorite web browser and navigate to the WhatsApp web interface. Make sure you're logged in, and if you're not, just scan the QR code with your phone, and you'll be all set to go. Once you're in, look through your list of chats on the left side of the screen to find the specific chat where the message you'd like to forward is located. Select the chat, and you will see the entire conversation displayed on the right. Take a moment to identify the exact message you'd like to forward. It can be text, an image, a video, or even a voice note. Position your mouse over this message, and you'll notice a small arrow appear at the top right corner. This arrow is your key to accessing a variety of options that WhatsApp offers for individual messages. Now, with just a click on that small arrow, a drop-down menu will appear. If you're using a mouse with additional buttons or a trackpad, you can also right-click directly on the message to bring up similar options. Whether you click the arrow or right-click, you'll find several options at your disposal, and today we're interested in Forward. Once you click on Forward, the message will be highlighted with a light blue shade, indicating it's selected. Then look toward the bottom of your screen, and you'll see some new icons have appeared. This area is how you perform your next action. Click on the forward arrow that looks like a right-facing paper airplane icon. A new window will pop up, displaying a list of all your chats and groups. Scroll through this list to find the contact or group you wish to forward the message to. You can also use the search bar at the top to quickly find the desired contact or group, which helps especially if your list of chats is extensive. Once you've found the recipient, simply click on their name, and you'll see that the message you selected is ready to be sent to them. All that's left to do is click the green send button at the bottom right corner, and voila, your message has been successfully forwarded. And there you have it. A quick and easy way to share important information or entertaining messages with others using WhatsApp Web. I hope this tutorial was helpful and gave you the confidence to forward messages seamlessly. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments. Thanks for watching.